In today's video, we are going to show you the best settings for the BenQ XL2566K settings. Now, to achieve this setting, we want to use a specific cable. This is going to be the display port. Now, there's multiple cables out there. There's VGA, HDMI, DVI, and finally display port. You want to use display port because it can provide the highest refresh rate and the highest resolution. From there, let's navigate through our Windows setting. Click on the Windows setting itself. Click System. Click Display. Scroll all the way down to the Advanced Display setting. You want to choose your monitor right here if you're using multiple. And then you want to select the highest number possible on the refresh rate. What this means is that it will show us this value of this hertz per second on our monitor. So this means in my case, it's showing me 165 images per second, enabling the monitor to provide greater resolutions or greater refresh rate. Now, I'm going to show you multiple settings right here, but we can simply edit out the settings by navigating through the on-screen display controller. So you just want to press on this specific button on your controller, and it will take us through the settings of the monitor. Inside the on-screen settings, you want to change the mode into FPS 1, brightness to 70 or 80. Now you can adjust this depending on your room lighting, but generally you want to avoid high brightness to avoid eye strains. For contrast, you want to leave it at default, which is going to be 50. For the gamma, you want to set it to 3. The black equalizer, 8 to 12 depending on the game that you are playing. Basically with this one, it will allow us to show enemies better, or it will enable us to find enemies better in dark areas, especially for darker games. The color vibrance is going to be 10 to 12. Sharpness is 8. You want to avoid the over crispness by setting it to this value right here. For the AMA overdrive, you want to set it to premium. The DYAC, set it to high. And finally, the adaptive sync is going to be on. Now, this is going to be really optimized for games like Counter-Strike, Valorant, Apex Legends, or any other competitive shooters out there. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.